Hi everyone, Lestari here from Aura Permata. I'm excited to be back with you and ready to show you how we create our latest masterpiece. This is the Bali Breeze Eco-Enzyme Harmony Soap. This is where the magic of Bali meets the science of natural skincare. And we create the magic soaps. And get ready to be blown away by our Bali Breeze Eco-Enzyme Harmony Soap. First of all, we will start by our finest natural ingredient, that is our homemade coconut oil from my village and olive oil for their amazing moisturizing properties. But the real star here is our eco-enzyme, an incredible natural ingredient created through the fermentation of organic material. We also add oat milk powder and coconut milk powder to give your skin that gentle, loving care it deserves. Here, in our soap is also enriched with cacao powder for its creamy goodness, also include with activate charcoal powder for deep cleansing. And for an unforgettable sensory experience, we also have include a blend of lemongrass, lavender, eucalyptus, and ylang-ylang essential oil. And if you are ready to bring this Bali Breeze into your daily routine, visit us at www.aurapermata.id and check out our full collection of handcrafted luxuries. And if you are loving our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so you are always in the loop of our latest creation and updates. Alright, let's get into the fun part, that is crafting. But first, safety and cleanliness is our top priorities. I have sanitized all my tools and equipment before I shoot the video, so now we change into personal protective equipment. I have got my gloves and protective gear on to ensure everything is done safely and clearly. And now let's dive into making our Bali Breeze Eco-Enzyme Harmony Soap and see this wonderful ingredient comes to life. First of all, we will weigh our ingredient. We will make our eco-enzyme lye solution. Put on my goggles. We need 315 of eco-enzyme. And we need our lye, 155 grams. Now, the method that I will use here to help to cool it down fast the eco-enzyme, we will use ice cube. So I have prepared ice cube here. So while we are making our eco-enzyme lye solution and getting faster to cool down. So remember, always work in the well-open ventilated area and always pour the lye into the water, not the other way around. And don't forget, always wear your long sleeve, long pants and shoes. That is to protect your skin. So let's go for it. Okay, it's well mixed. Now we keep aside and we will work with weighing our oil. Here we will use coconut oil for 600 grams. And then here we will need 400 grams of olive oil. My olive oil is always infused with calendula flower. Now we keep aside. And then we will weigh our blend of essential oil. Lemongrass, we need 5 grams. Eucalyptus, We have ylang-ylang now. And we have Bulgarian lavender essential oil. This we need 5 grams. Okay, keep aside. And now we will make our color: charcoal powder and cacao powder. Enough. It's around 2 grams of charcoal powder and 2 grams of cacao powder. Now we dilute with oil. Okay, and then now we will make our titanium dioxide solution. I need distilled water. We heat a little bit in the microwave. And then we add our titanium dioxide. This is around a tablespoon. And then we keep aside. We need to wait a little bit, maybe around 10 minutes for cool down the eco-enzyme solution. So we can add our oat milk powder and coconut milk powder. We need about a tablespoon of coconut milk. We add in the oil and a tablespoon of oat milk powder. So we let it cool down for about 7 minutes more. Let's check the temperature first. 143 Fahrenheit. So we need to wait a little bit to cool down. It's around 120, something like that. And then we can pour it into the oil and mix with the hand stick blender to create a soap butter.
A few moments later.
We check again. It's 120 Fahrenheit, so it's good to add our sodium lactate. We need about a tablespoon. And now we will create a magic here. We need our stick blender. Then we will pour our eco-enzyme lye solution. Slowly. We give a little stir. We divide our soap butter. A little bit here, a little bit here. We add our essential oil. And then we need our mold. Stand by here. Now we give a good stir. Okay, we keep aside this one. We pour the first layer. And then I like to sprinkle a little gold mica powder. And then we continue with the second layer. We give a sprinkle golden mica powder. Then we pour a little bit more. And then we add a little bit titanium dioxide and our essential oil, our third layer. And then our last layer. And now we'll make our Aura Permata design. And then we will sprinkle a bit of lavender flowers and rose flowers. And then we will sprinkle the gold mica on top of this. Okay, here is how it look like. And this batch we need to cure for about 24 hours. So we let it cure for 24 hours, and then I will show you how it will look like after 24 hours cure. And then we will cut into slices. And here is the soap batch that turned after 24 hours. We will unmold it and cut it into a piece bar. And then we cut into slices. Here is little swirl. Okay, here is our Bali Breeze eco-enzyme harmony soap. Now I will show you, we will test the ladders and the pH. And now we will test the pH. It's between 8 to 9. It's safe to use. Okay, that's it for today. And thank you so much for joining me on this journey, on the exciting journey of soap making. And every bar we create here is a tribute to the beauty of Bali and a promise of pure natural luxury. Stay tuned for more fun and fabulous creation. And remember to treat yourselves to a little slice of paradise every day. So bye for today.